Got a group of people who have engaged with your brand but have not purchased yet? Facebook retargeting ads might be the solution you are looking for, especially when the average Facebook user clicks on approximately 8 ads per month. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and in this video I am going to share some Facebook retargeting tips for converting warm leads. If you don't know what Facebook retargeting is and how to do it, then pause this video here and first watch my video on what is Facebook retargeting and how to use it. Link is in the description below, or you can just link on this eye icon. Now let's move further and discuss some best tips for Facebook retargeting ads. Tip number 1, recapture abandoned carts. The average rate of abandoned cart is already high, and it is only getting higher. People add products to their shopping cart, get distracted and find a better deal, or something else comes up. So they never make it to the checkout. Facebook retargeting ads are great for attracting customers that have placed items in their cart. You can show them the products they were interested in and bring them back to your site by Facebook retargeting. You can also take it further by adding discounts or a limited time offer for people so that they can come back and make a purchase. Tip number 2, sequencing ads. These are the times where a single follow-up ad is just going to cut it. In some situations, a user may need to see multiple ad campaigns in a series before they gain enough exposure to your brand and what you offer to be comfortable enough to move to the next stage of the funnel. Based upon our research, it has been said that it takes up to 8 touch points for a user to take the decision and make a purchase. So, if you feel this is your situation, you are not alone. It's time to look into sequencing ads. This retargeting strategy works by establishing specific time windows on each ad in a multi-ad series, ensuring that users with your target audience are most likely to see those ads in the order you designed to get them to convert. Decide what windows work for you and what your most high-value offer ads are. Then set up a retargeting campaign from website traffic and create a different individual ads for different times. Tip number 3, exclude people once they get convert. The ultimate goal for any of your campaign is to earn conversions. Your remarketed ads help you to get this conversion. Once leads have converted, you must exclude them from your remarketing campaign. If people see an ad for a product they have already purchased, it annoys them because you keep advertising that particular product to them again and again. People don't want to see ads for a product that they have already purchased. So when conducting a Facebook remarketing campaign, make sure to exclude those who have already converted. This helps you to keep your customers happy, plus would save you some money as well. Tip number 4, get personalized offers to retargeted audience. When running remarketing campaigns, retarget the user intent. For instance, if someone is looking at your pricing page for a long time but doesn't convert, then hit them with a big incentive or some discount. For instance, as you can see on the screen that this company is giving a discount of 20% for those who search for an item but left without purchasing. People are smart and they know if they leave a cart or sign up for a newsletter instead of purchasing, a special offer is likely coming their way. By running an offer remarketing campaign with a discount code, consumers probably return and complete the purchase. So, fifth and last tip is adjust your call to action. The people who are retargeting already know who you are. They are not seeing your name in the news feeds for the first time. So adjust your call to action since these people have not yet converted. For example, you work in an e-commerce platform and you were previously targeting cold audience with a learn more CTA button to get them into your funnel. In this example, you can see that SEMrush is having an eye-catching headline and using the Learn More CTA button to attract more customers. Now, when you want them to make a purchase and they already know about you, use a stronger CTA. Here is SEMrush is using Try It for free to attract customers to complete their desired action. Facebook provides a great opportunity for your business to reach more qualified leads through retargeted ads, you can reach the leads again and push them towards conversion. So these were my 5 best tips for Facebook retargeting ads. What strategy do you use for Facebook retargeting? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.